Hello students, my name is Saksham Singh, your computer teacher. Let's start the second chapter, software and its type. So software is the program that runs the computer. So all of you know that there are two components of computer. First one is hardware, another one is software. So with the help of both hardware and software, your computer is to be run. Okay. So hardware, you all know the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, mouse, all these are the hardware. To make the hardware to perform or to function, there is a need of software. Okay, all of you understand what is software? Now software can be categorized into two. First is system software and another one is application software. Like all of you saying that this is my android phone. So what is android is the system software which helps to run your mobile, and in the same ways, like your windows 10, this is the system software, or we can say this is the operating system of your computer. Without the operating system, your computer has not been run. System software is designed as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of your computer system. It handles all the input, process and output, reads data from input device and transfers the process information to output. Okay, system software is of three types. First one is operating system, another one is language processor, and another one is utility software. Operating system, as you know, like Windows 10 is your operating system. It controls the overall activities of your computer. It performs many functions like device management. All the devices are connected in a proper way. The function is to be assigned, and the work or the job of the devices is to be assigned. Like keyboard is used to enter data, mouse is used to select the icons and anything else. And memory management, all the memory location is to be assigned for the files and folders. Next is runs application software. It also helps in run application software like MS Word, MS PowerPoint. These processor management, how to do a job, like if you want to open MS Paint, MS Word and music, all these things are run in a computer at a single time. So it is the duty of the operating system to process these file or these operations. File management and security. File management means to keeps a track of files and folders created, deleted and transferred, copied. Security, it provides password protection to users. When you open your computer, there is a requirement of log in. This is the password protection of your computer. Okay, all of you understand. Now another one is language processor. To create a software. While you creating a software, there is a need of language processor. All the application you have run in your android phone or in computer, or the websites you are using, all these are coded in the language processor like Java, C++, HTML and any other things. Another is utility software. Utility means these are your need. These are not necessary. Utility means these are your need. Like for creating a image or picture, you need MS Paint. Okay, when you creating a document, you need MS Word. When you creating your presentation, you need MS PowerPoint. So these are the utility softwares. Now another one is antivirus. Antivirus provides the protection of your computer from the virus. These are helpful in protecting your computer from anything harmful. Okay, examples of these antiviruses are Avast antivirus, Kaspersky, Norton, AVG, McAfee. Backup. Sometimes due to hard disk failure, you may lose all your data. So this is a process of recovering the data in case of any damage. Backup can be taken in flash drive or DVD drives. So there is an option available of your backup, like in your WhatsApp you are using, so there is a backup of your WhatsApp chats also, like 1 week, 2 week, 1 day or 1 month. Okay, you have to select this, and while your WhatsApp has been deleted and you install in your another phone or in the same phone, your WhatsApp chats of previous 1 month or 1 week has been shown in your new WhatsApp number. Okay, now next is compression. Compression means to shrink the files. Just like this, I am making this video. This video is about 250 MB size. So with the help of compression, I will reduce it to as size like 25 MB. So it will be helpful to me to send this 25 MB data to your into your WhatsApp group. So I save 25 MB data. Okay, now next is application software. Application software is a software that a user makes or gets made according to the user design need. Application software, as we can say, that the user create it in your own way with your own requirement. Just like general purpose application software is, first is word processing software. Word processing, this is Microsoft Word, helps to create reports, letters, story, articles, essay, poem, etc. Okay, now all another example of Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice Writer. Another one is electronic spreadsheet. It is used to perform calculation and making data handling of any data. Okay, examples: Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice, Calculate. Database management software like Microsoft Access. Database management software is used to maintain and manage large quantities of data. For example, in our daily routine we collect a lot of data like phone numbers, etc. Like all your WhatsApp groups is created with the help of data stored in your registers. So this will helpful for the teachers to create your WhatsApp group. In these register, your name, father's name, your phone number and your address is written. So with the help of these database, we create a WhatsApp group of your students. Another is desktop publishing software. This is CorelDRAW. This software is used to design the professional document like newsletters, printed forms, advertisement, brochures, posters, magazine. As you see, advertisement is very attractive to create the attention of the customer. So with the help of CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, these are the softwares helpful in making the advertisement creative, attractive. Next one is presentation software. The software is used to present idea and concept in pictorial and animated form like MS PowerPoint. In MS PowerPoint you make slides and to deliver your lecture with the help of your slides. It makes it attractive and very helpful in. Another word is graphic software. It is used to create and edit image, merge two images, photograph, logos, cartoon. Example: MS Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD. As you use in your mobile phone like Beauty Plus app, and this will helpful in creating multiple images into one image. You make collage and anything else, you edit these images also. Next is multimedia software. Multimedia software, it is used to create animation, video, graphics, sound like the Windows Media Player. In Windows Media Player you will play videos, audios and anything else. Skills match the following. So as you see, first one icon of which I could not understand. The first and fourth is very much, I have seen it is very much similar. No, it's there is a difference. First one is MS Excel. Another one is, second one is CorelDRAW. Third one is MS PowerPoint. Fourth one is MS Word, and the last is Windows Media Player. Next is specific purpose. This software is created to execute a specific task. It is also called customized software. This software is used in reservation system, payroll system, etc. Example: Busy, Tally, etc. Like in your reservation charts, there is a specified need only. In railways we need but in normal days we don't need this type of software. So these are the special purpose software. Okay, now your chapter has been finished. Do exercise with yourself, and after some time I will send the solution of these exercise and question answer. Thank you and have a nice day.